Hello, and welcome to Amsterdam, a city of canals, culture, and captivating history. Join me as we embark on a journey to uncover the top 10 must-visit spots this enchanting city has to offer, from its iconic canals to world-renowned museums and hidden gems. Amsterdam promises an unforgettable experience for every traveler. So, let us delve into the heart of this remarkable Dutch treasure and discover its secrets together. Our exploration begins on the water, where better to capture the essence of Amsterdam than on a leisurely canal cruise. The intricate network of canals, often referred to as the Venice of the North, is the lifeblood of this city. As we glide along these serene waterways, we are treated to a unique perspective of Amsterdam's architectural marvels. Graceful canal houses, each with its own story etched into its facade, line the banks. These houses, with their narrow gables and ornate decorations, stand as a testament to the city's rich history. Look closely, and you might spot the hooks once used to hoist goods into the attics, a reminder of the city's mercantile past. Today, life along the canals is a blend of old and new. Houseboats transformed into cozy homes bob gently alongside elegant canal-side cafés. The soft sound of water against the boats sets a calming tone, inviting us to relax and take in the peaceful surroundings. As we drift beneath arched bridges, we catch glimpses of cyclists weaving through the streets. The canals are not just a mode of transportation, they are the arteries of Amsterdam, connecting its people and its history. As our cruise draws to a close, the setting sun bathes the city in a warm golden light. It's a magical moment, a reminder that Amsterdam's beauty is best appreciated from the water. Our next destination takes us from the waterways to the world of art and history at the Rijksmuseum. This architectural masterpiece houses an unparalleled collection of Dutch masters, offering a glimpse into the country's artistic heritage. Stepping inside, we are greeted by a grand atrium bathed in natural light, its vastness hinting at the treasures that await. The museum's collection spans centuries, from medieval artifacts to iconic paintings that have captivated art lovers for generations. Undoubtedly, the highlight for many is Rembrandt's masterpiece, The Night Watch. This monumental canvas, depicting a militia company in striking detail, draws crowds from around the globe. We take our time, observing the play of light and shadow, the intricate details that bring the scene to life. Beyond Rembrandt, the Rijksmuseum boasts a wealth of artistic treasures. Vermeer's The Milkmaid, with its serene beauty, offers a glimpse into everyday life in the Dutch Golden Age. Halls dedicated to Delftware pottery showcase the intricate craftsmanship of this iconic Dutch art form. As we explore the galleries, we are drawn into the past, surrounded by the art and stories of a different time. The Rijksmuseum is more than just a museum. It is a testament to the enduring power of art and a celebration of Dutch culture. Our exploration of Amsterdam's artistic treasures continues as we make our way to the Van Gogh Museum. Dedicated to the life and work of one of the world's most celebrated artists, Vincent van Gogh, this museum offers a captivating journey into the artist's tumultuous yet brilliant mind. The museum's collection is arranged chronologically, allowing us to trace the evolution of Van Gogh's artistic style, from his early, somber works to the vibrant, expressive paintings of his later years. We witness the artist's emotional and creative journey unfold before our eyes. Sunflowers, with its iconic yellow hues, radiates warmth and joy, while the potato eaters, painted during his darker period, reflects the hardships of simple peasant life. Each brushstroke seems to convey a depth of emotion, a glimpse into the soul of a troubled genius. The museum also houses an extensive collection of Van Gogh's drawings and letters, providing further insight into his thoughts, inspirations, and struggles. We learn of his close relationship with his brother Theo, whose unwavering support sustained Vincent throughout his career. Standing before his self-portraits, the intensity of his gaze draws us in, revealing the depths of passion and inner struggle that shaped his work. The Van Gogh Museum is not just a collection of art, it is an intimate portrait of an artist who, despite his struggles, left behind a legacy that continues to inspire and move us. After our museum visits, we seek refuge in the tranquil embrace of Vondelpark, Amsterdam's largest and most beloved urban oasis. This sprawling park, a tapestry of verdant lawns, meandering pathways, and serene ponds, offers a welcome respite from the bustling city. As we enter the park, the sounds of the city fade into the background, replaced by the gentle rustling of leaves and the cheerful melodies of birdsong. Families picnic on the lawns, their laughter mingling with the sound of children playing. Cyclists glide along the winding paths, their bells chiming a gentle warning to pedestrians. We find a bench beneath the shade of a weeping willow, its branches cascading around us like a curtain, and simply relax, allowing the calm of our surroundings envelop us. Vondelpark is not just a park, it's a microcosm of Amsterdam life. Street performers entertain passers-by with music and acrobatics, their energy adding to the park's vibrant atmosphere. Couples stroll hand in hand, their laughter echoing through the trees, while friends gather for impromptu picnics, sharing stories and laughter. As evening descends, the park takes on a magical quality. The setting sun casts long shadows across the lawns, and the air grows cool and fragrant. We linger for a while, reluctant to leave this urban paradise. Our journey takes us to the heart of Amsterdam, the bustling Dam Square. This historic square, once the site of a bustling dam that gave the city its name, is now a vibrant hub of activity, a place where locals and tourists converge. Dominating the square is the Royal Palace, an imposing edifice that speaks to Amsterdam's regal past. Today, it serves as the official residence of the Dutch monarch, its grand facade a reminder of the city's rich history. Across from the palace stands the National Monument, a towering obelisk erected to commemorate the victims of World War II. It's a sobering reminder of the past, a place for reflection and remembrance. The square itself is a hive of activity, a kaleidoscope of sights and sounds. Street performers entertain the crowds, their music and laughter filling the air. Horse-drawn carriages clatter across the cobblestones, offering a romantic way to experience the city. Cafés and restaurants border the square, their terraces lively with people enjoying meals and coffee. We take a seat at one of these cafes, sipping our drinks and watching the world go by. Dam Square is a place to see and be seen, to soak up the energy of Amsterdam. We leave the bustling Dam Square behind and venture into the charming Jordaan district. Once a working-class neighborhood, the Jordaan has transformed into one of Amsterdam's most desirable areas. Its narrow streets and canals lined with quaint houses, trendy boutiques, and cozy cafés. As we wander through the Jordan's maze-like streets, we are struck by its village-like atmosphere. The pace of life here seems slower, more relaxed. Residents gather on their stoops, chatting with neighbors or watching the world go by. The air is filled with the aroma of freshly baked bread from artisan bakeries and the enticing smells of Indonesian cuisine, a reminder of the neighborhood's multicultural heritage. We stop at a local cafe, drawn in by the aroma of freshly baked apple pie, a Dutch specialty. The Jordan is also a haven for art lovers, with numerous galleries showcasing the works of both established and up-and-coming artists. We browse the art galleries, admiring the diverse range of styles put on display. As evening approaches, the Jordan comes alive with a different kind of energy. The cafes and restaurants fill up, and the sound of laughter and conversation spills out onto the streets. We find a quiet table at a canal-side restaurant, eager to experience Jordan's vibrant nightlife. Our senses are awakened as we arrive at the Bloemenmarkt, Amsterdam's iconic floating flower market. This unique market, a riot of colors and scents, is a feast for the eyes and a delight for the senses. Moored along the single canal, the Bloemenmarkt is a series of floating barges, each overflowing with a dazzling array of flowers, plants, and bulbs. Tulips, the quintessential Dutch flower, reign supreme, their vibrant hues painting the market in a spectrum of colors. From classic red and yellow varieties to exotic parrot tulips with their fringed petals, there's a tulip to suit every taste. The air is thick with the sweet fragrance of hyacinths, their heady perfume mingling with the delicate scent of roses. We wander from barge to barge, marveling at the sheer variety of flowers on display. Vendors, their faces weathered by the elements, share their knowledge of the different varieties, offering tips on planting and care. The Bloemenmarkt is not just a place to buy flowers, it's an experience, a sensory overload that captures the essence of Dutch culture. As our journey through Amsterdam draws to a close, we are left with a sense of awe and wonder. This city of canals, culture, and captivating history has revealed its many treasures, each one unique and unforgettable. We've cruised the canals, explored world-class museums, wandered through charming neighborhoods, and experienced the vibrant energy of this remarkable city. From the artistic masterpieces of the Rijksmuseum to the iconic canals and hidden gems, Amsterdam has touched our hearts and minds. So, until next time, farewell from this enchanting Dutch treasure. Thank you for watching my Ready to Travel 8 video. If you enjoyed the video, please like, share, and subscribe. Let's explore the world together, one unforgettable journey at a time.